objectives. So at the end of, after the lesson, about the importance of proper gathering and safekeeping of evidence. Number 2, explain the significance of proper gathering of evidence in the criminal justice system. Number 3, understand fully the different ways of gathering pieces of evidence. And number 4 is we can apply the actual exercises and proper methods of gathering and safekeeping of evidence. So, dito na learn objectives. So, makalakit. So, body fluids. Body fluids are seminal stains or seminal stains are important evidence. Whether they are blood stains or seminal stains, they can be employed to determine whether a person is involved in a crime or not. So, body fluids, bagan, ang ini nga mga blood, saliva, semen, mas alam nga na, kasulito ng body fluids. So, ini nga akong topic, ang akong topic kaya mostly, ang procedure ni kung paano i-keep ini nga mga evidences. So, makadikit ha, blood. So, ang blood is a must that before collecting blood stains, a precise description of the extent and pattern of blood spatters should be made. So if materials with blood stains are sent to the laboratory, the following procedures should be done. So, siya ng pagkuha ng blood. So, A. Air dry the materials on a clean paper. So, ang first naman is, ikukuha mo muna ng material sa clean paper ba? Kailangan mag-dry. Tapos, B naman, when dried, put the materials inside the paper bag, mark the bag with initials, the date, and an exhibit number before fastening it. So, ang second naman, kailangan dapat mag-dry talaga na niya bago mo iya ibutang haos sa nga bag. Tapos, pagkatapos mo ibutang haos sa nga bag, igubutangan mo yan, initial, kung tigaman ba para di rin makuha ang iyo yung evidence. Tapos, butangan lahat ang date kung saan ito nakuha, sa exhibit yung number niya. Tapos, do not bag items if they are not thoroughly dried. Ayaw ibutang ha, bag kung di rin pa mamara. C naman, if the materials has to be folded, cover the stain area with clean paper. Avoid folding across the stain area. So, kung kailangan igpilo, ang usa nga, ini nga, halimbawa, ini nga material na may blood, kung kailangan igpilo, kailangan i-cover ang may da blood bago igpilo. So, hali naman, blood stain material should be packaged individually. So, kailangan diriya, masiring nga, iba-iba ba? So, hain naman, collect a comparison standard. The comparison standard and 5 cc of blood each taken from the victim and the suspect are placed in separate. So, ang kanang victim ng kanang suspect, kailangan separate ang pagkuha na yung pag-package. Tapos, a qualified physician is tasked with extracting the blood. The vitals are marked with the donor's name, doctor's name, the date, exhibit number, and other pertinent information. So, kailangan gyapon latiya. May dalatiya man, kailangan makanan ang donor's name, ang doctor's name, ang date, ihapon, cheton. So, kasi ito nagkuha ng blood. So, nakita naman kita sa live. Actually, ang pagkuha niya is baga, same line niya nga din, kung paano niya preserve at ini nga evidence. So, sa live naman, same niya, air dry the material on a clean paper. Happy naman when dried, put the material inside the paper bag. So, same niya kung delay. So, C naman, if the materials has to be folded, cover the stains. Sa gihapon, ika-cover gihapon ng stain area. Pero kung makukuha kung bagan, kailangan niya pick up dito bagan. Diri ba, dapat talaga fill-on. Pero kung kailangan fill-on, siya tatakluban mo. So, hadi naman, blood stains material should be packed individual at siya gihapon. Tapos, collect a comparison standard. Siya gihapon day, para sa masta. At three naman, na semen, air dry the materials on a clean paper. When dried, at siya gihapon, put the materials inside the paper bag. Mark the bag with your initials, the date, and an exhibit number before fastening it. Do not bag items if they are not thoroughly dried. So, as facts individually. Sige ako, kailangan nakakuha ako niya. Hain naman, collect a comparison standard. Get some samples following the step 1 and step 2. So, and same ako na step 1 and step 2 ang pagkuha ng anuhan. Pagkolektan, ini nga, semen. How far naman ang sweat? Same ako din at saka talaga ng nakasulap na ito. Obtain sweat evidence following step shown in 3. 1, 2, 3. So, same ako na urine. Paras na talaga yan. So,
Ano naman yung magdadry ang urine? Diba, Faye?
Explosives and
Paano nagdadry ang urine?
incendiaries. So,
Air dry yan.
explosive and incendiaries naman, extreme care is needed
Kasi nga paras ka
for
na.
bomb or arson-related evidence. For instance, the presence of large volume of debris, their small size, and the possibility of their being washed away when fire is extinguished make this type of evidence hard to find. So, explosive and incendiaries. So, importante talaga nga, kailangan ang pag-preserve ng mga explosive and incendiaries is kailangan talaga kailangan ng extreme care na sa rin para diri mawala ba kay kasi nga di ba may possibility nga bagan mawala tayo niya pag mas nakuha di ba mabuti di ba mabuti ang mga evidences. So the following succeeding paragraphs would show how aerosol and explosive debris are gathered and preserved. So makalimang kita glass. Number 1 yung arson debris. Nandiyan yung ang mga kuwan sunog. So, glass, ang unang kuwan is collect glass splinters and dust them for fingerprints if the evidence indicates that a Molotov cocktail device was used. So, kailangan magkulit ko ng glass splinters ngan iguang gaya bagan durugon bagan sultol para magkaniya, para magamit natin mga fingerprint evidence sa drugs. Habi naman pack the glass splinters in a clean, fastenable metal can. So, ikakatumay ito niya usang nga metal can para ma-preserve ang ito na kuan. Ito na glass. Tapos, i-mark niya ako, mark the metal cans with initials, the date, serial number, and other pertinent information. So, kailangan ito na metal can, ito mo ito mismo ang metal can sa suratan, ang date, ang initials, ang mga exhibit number. So, asya itong nakuha ng glass, wala niya woods and fabrics naman. Woods and fabrics, parang kasi nagdaba woods and fabrics. So, collect materials which may appear to have traces of gasoline or any other synthetic. So, collect materials na bagat makaka-trace kung may gasoline ba ito na usa ng kuan. May gasoline na kanang tilikangan ng kuan, nakuwasan, or other incendiaries. So, happy naman, obtain comparison standards, materials similar to the collected evidence which appear to be free from gasoline or any other incendiaries should be collected as standards. Though not always necessary, comparison standards are required, especially if the floor or groundwork is chemically similar to the incendiary use. Basta pag kailangan magkuhan ng comparison standards ang mga materials na mga paprehas, ang mga materials na like mga paprehas na nakukulit ka tayo na usa ka kuhan ng mga usi fabrics. Bagan kailangan niya i-collect tapos
I-compare.
basta though not always necessary comparison standards are required, especially if the floor or groundwork is chemically similar to the incendiary use. Similar ito ang kuhan ito. Gusto siya ito nasa idaman kit suspected flammable liquids.
Ito, nadating ako. Iba.
Suspected flammable liquids naman. Put an ounce of suspected fluid in a small scale clean can. So, bukan kan usang suspected fluid sa na kuhan clean can. Fasten the can and mark it with your initials, the date, exhibit number, and other pertinent information. So, magbukan ka lang itong butang mo, mga date, ang date, magbutang ka number. So, dito, pas biya po nang dili, na. So, ang foreign objects naman, gaman mo ito niya. Tapos sa explosive debris naman, arson debris and explosive debris. Arson debris kasi na mostly nga mga kamatida about ng mga fuel. At hindi naman niya about ng mga explosive na mga gamit na ang mga ano na. So dito naman, A, find the photos of the blast and then get lost debris from it. Then, remove additional material to 3 to 5 inches deep. So, magpapang ka kung din talaga ang focus ang pagkuhan, ang pagbuto. Ito. Tapos, sabi naman, put the evidence in separate clean unused metal cans. Fasten and mark the cans with initials, the date, exhibit number, and other pertinent information. So, siya gyapon, separate mo, tutubutang mo gyapon initials, mga date, sabi mo, exhibit number. At din naman, put objects presumed to be in close proximity with the plastic metal cans. So, bukutang mo kuno, ang mga object na kuhan at ang metal cans, mark din gyapon, mark ang initials, tas rough items like wires and objects with tool marks with tissue paper secured with a tape. So, kukuha mo ito niya, tissue paper, secure one, tape na. Tapos, ang hindi naman same yapon, bukutangan mo yung initials, mga date, kung saan ang initials, exhibit number. Hagi naman, evidence collected from the scene should not be placed in the same package together with the evidence obtained from the suspect. So, ang mga evidence na collected, dali mo yung pwede butang, same suspect, di mo yung pwede kuhaning tempo. So, naman, comparison standard should be packaged separately. So, same yapon ganito, mga unang quantity, procedure kung paano magpalit explosive debris. So, makakita mo sa explosive substances and devices. So, naman yun ang pagkuha ng explosive substances. So, A, find evidence from the activated substances. Do not attempt to deactivate any explosive device. So, find evidence from the deactivated substances. Do not attempt to deactivate any explosive device unless you have been trained to do so. So, i-build mo na lahat ng mga deactivated substances. Tapos, dili ka pwede humunumon na pag-deactivate ito na device. Pero kung kinakailangan talaga, kung maarang ka, pwede ka magkuhan. Pero kung dili, ayaw pagkuhan ng kung pwede mag-ano ka, iba nga, kung hindi nang maarang. So, happy naman, that's the smooth surface of the device for fingerprints. So, bukutangan mo dasan, at ito na nga may fingerprints. Ito na, di ba, pag nag-ano na, bukutangan mo na para Hasi naman, if a tape or paper wrapping is found, put this in a clean and used metal can. Butang mo yapon niya pag may kuha na nabili nga na ito. Di ba pag may mga, tawag ini, may mga paper na nabibili nga na sa kuha, kailangan diya po din kuhaon. Tapos, ibubutang mo lang sila metal can para mas ma-preserve. Fasten the can and mark the initials, the date, exhibit number, and other pertinent information. Do not handle any of this directly with your fingers. So, kailangan mo mag-gloves. So, D. Segregate materials such as batteries,